How to contact Agoda customer service through email. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to contact your Agoda customer service via email. So let's get started. So first thing first, just simply open up your Gmail application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on this compose button, and from over here just enter the email address which I'll be typing over here for or to contact Agoda customer service. So just type in that is biz@agoda.com. So which is the official email address to contact Agoda customer service. So now simply enter your subject regarding your topic why you want to contact them. So once you enter your problem or issue or regarding your subject, now simply describe it under this description, or you can also attach files or such as screenshots regarding what you want to talk about or what you want to need help through the Agoda customer service. And once you do all of that, just click on this send button at the top right next to this paperclip icon to successfully send and contact Agoda customer service. So once they review it, they can easily get back to you via this mail as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.